All right, Scotty, tell me what we got going here.
Well,
Glasses
okay, there we
back
go. In, tight like it's supposed to be for up. And if you look, I'll hold it right there. See if you can zoom in on the side.
Yes.
No, come to this side. You can see where it was rubbing.
And now it no longer does.
No more rub.
Scotty has it adjusted in the right position.
Shock. It's not that hard to do.
No.
And fixed. I had to readjust a little bit. I had it too tight, which you can never get them on one shot. So, I mean, I'm not worried that way. Handles on. So I'm just getting ready to put the door panel on.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get the handle in, get everything in place, and then...
And you were making a little adapter for this?
Yep.
For something that was busted?
Yep. So we'll have that in place so it'll be nice and tight like the other door panel.
Nice.
And then I'll get this handle on, which, as you can tell, they did not in any way, shape, or form do what they were supposed to be doing to put things in place. Oh my God. That's why the door panels were up and down and all cockeyed. That's why that one's nice and straight now, because I got it fixed. So I got to do the same thing with this one so that we get a straight shot into these and get it taken care of.
Nice. Get that done.
So
it's a battle, man. It's a lot of work.
It would actually be nice to have a car come in. I don't care what car it is. I don't care if it's an Avante, a Mustang, a Corvette. I don't give a shit. And just go back together like it's supposed to.
Yeah, well...
I mean, am I asking for much?
Yeah, well...
Oh, wait, yeah, I am.
Most of these cars have been mistreated by...
Multiple
people in the past.
People.
They've been...
Yeah, because the owner of the Avante came in and brought us some stuff.
Yeah.
Great, love the guy to death. He's amazing.
Oh, John's awesome.
Oh yeah, and he looked at the Mustang. He's like, "Ooh, yeah, that's pretty."
Yeah, and then...
Then he walked up close and saw it.
So there's...
He's like, "Oh my God!" I said, "Yeah."
Yeah.
So we're going to talk to the paint correction guy and see what he'll want to maybe get some of that. I don't know if he can. I don't know. I don't do paint correction, so I couldn't tell you. I don't know.
We have a guy for that.
So we've got our guy doing this one, and I want to see if we can get him to do that one to make that one look even better.
Yeah, maybe we can...
we'll see.
Do a 2-for-1 special.
Yeah. And that.
Ooh.
That's bootyful.
Way better. Good job, Scotty.
I mean, I'd like it to be a little more uptight deal, but...
I hear you're uptight.
I've been called a lot of things in my time. I'm kind of used to it at this point.
All right, so there's that.
But no more rubby. And I'd like it to, like I said, I'd like it to be a little more in the groove, but they've mangled so much on these parts that I'm never going to get them 100% in line unless I buy all new parts. And I'm not doing that because these are functional.
Or a whole door.
Yeah, and no.
We ain't doing that.
Just because I want a straighter line, a gay guy that wants a straighter line.
Yeah. All right. Anywho.
Well, that was like the other day I asked a gay friend of mine, I said, "Hey, can you give me a straight answer on this?"
No. Comedy style
And
Scotty.
lunch.
Lunch.